This video tutorial I will explain group by using reduce function. Here you can see product DB and it has a product collection and it has three documents and each document has name and products and its price. Name, products and its price. Suppose we want to get the output like name and total product price, like Peter 15,000, John 11,000 and Dave 3,000. We will see how to write a single query to get this output. Here you can see the query to get the result. DB is current DB, which is product DB, then product collection. Then I am calling group method and grouping based on the name. This one. Then I am using a reduce function which accept cur and result. Then here I am calculating the total price. Result dot total plus equal to cur dot products dot tv. Products dot tv plus products dot fridge. Here I am initializing the total variable as 0 for this one. Execute this and here we got the output. For Peter, total is 15,000. 5,000 plus 10,000 is 15,000. And for John, 11,000. John, 10,000 plus 1,000 is 11,000. For Dave, 1,000 plus 2,000 is 3,000. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.